Hello, welcome to today's mini meditation. I'd like you to sit nice and comfortable on your stool or your chair and start with your palms facing up. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Nice and deep in and out. Fantastic. Take your hands to your chest, left on top of right, and I'd like to do like little circles so your hands aren't leaving your chest. You're just keeping your shoulders low, elbows heavy. Breathe in one way and breathe out, rotate the other way. Apply some pressure there between your palm and your chest. So we're going to make some positive thoughts here. I want you to close your eyes and I want you to either give gifts out to others or I want you to be positive about yourself. So for example, you can hope that somebody gets well. You can hope that a friend of yours might find love, happiness. Or you can take it inwards and feel positive about something you want to do, a journey for yourself. So whilst you're choosing that, just continue doing the small circles, breathing in one way and breathing out the other way. Keep those shoulders low and the elbows heavy. So this is where we take our palms down to our legs, palms facing up, back to the hands resting on your legs, shoulders low, heavy elbows. You can still think about what you're asking for. Give it some positive thoughts, positive vibes. Soften your jaw, relax your tongue. A nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. I'm going to give you the mantra for this week now. The mantra is, the privilege of a lifetime is to become who we truly are. The most important relationship is the relationship we have with ourselves, because knowing ourselves is the beginning of all wisdom. This is a powerful personal mantra to remind ourselves that our ultimate objective is to realize our true nature is to become who we truly are. This mantra will help us remove focus from others and shift our focus inwards so we start to learn and understand who we truly are. Moving on to the next movement of mindfulness today, we're going to take our hands to our chest, palms facing forward. Nice deep breath in. Breathe out as you push away any negative. Turn your palms. Breathe in as you lift your arms up. Breathe out as you bring the arms down, pulling down towards the chest. Breathe in, turn the hands. Again, breathe out, push away any negative through the strong palms. Breathe in, lift. Breathe out, pull in all the good, all the positive. Breathe out, in. Breathe out, push away. In, up. Out, pull down. In, turn. Out. In. Out. In. Push away. Lift up. Breathe out, pull down. Turn hands, breathe in. Continue your breath with your move, with our moving meditation. You can change your breath as you move if you like. There is no right and wrong in meditation moving. You might want to change the move slightly. That's fine too. And we take our arms down here, place our hands on our laps, palms facing up. Carry on breathing. And we sit quietly just for a minute or two. Inhale and repeat the mantra. The privilege of a lifetime is to become who we truly are. The third moving meditation is to take your arms forward and then turn your palms facing out and push away. Turn your palms facing forward, close your arms, turn, open, turn, breathe in and close. Turn, breathe out and open. Turn, breathe in. So engage your breath with your move. Close your eyes if you want to. You know your memory muscle will remind you of what you're doing. You're just turning your palms, bringing them in together, turning and pushing away. Change your breath. Breathe in open. Breathe out close. If your arms are already aching, then you can lower them to your lap. Otherwise, keep moving with me for 2 more. And then take our palms to our lap again, palms facing up, shoulders low, heavy elbows. Nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Relax your jaw, relax your tongue, and repeat the mantra. The privilege of a lifetime is to become who we truly are. Carry on with your meditation. I'm going to close with my hands together and a bow. Thank you very much for joining me again in today's mini meditation.